parting with that person. Throughout the Bodhisattva's lives, Princess Yashodhara was there with him, supporting him in every way she could. Then, in their last life, one night, Prince Siddhartha left while Princess Yashodhara was asleep. But he left for a great purpose, becoming an enlightened Buddha. Then for 7 long years, Princess Yashodhara waited for him to come back. And when he did, he had become a supremely enlightened one. Seeing this beautiful sight, Princess Yashodhara chanted these glorious verses with mesmerizing meanings on the Blessed One's appearance to Prince Rahula, her son, as he had never seen his father before. Let's listen to these magnificent stanzas uttered by Princess Yashodhara. It is truly amazing. His pink, sacred feet are marked with excellent wheels. His long heels are decked with beautiful marks. His feet are adorned with chowri and parasol. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Delicate and noble Sakyan prince. His meritorious body is full of beautiful marks. He is a hero among humans who acts for the welfare of the world. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. His face shines like the full moon in the sky. He is dear to gods and humans. He walks bravely like a king elephant. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Sambhava Agya Kulino born into the noble king's family. Gods and humans worship his sacred feet. His mind is well established in virtue and concentration. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Long and prominent is his well-formed nose. His extremely blue eyes shine like those of a calf. Like a rainbow are his deep blue eyebrows. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Round and full is his well-formed neck. His jaw is strong like that of a lion. His smooth body is like that of the king of deer. His beautiful skin shines brightly with a golden color. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Sinidha sugambira manju sughoso hingula bandhu suratta sujiuho visati visati seta sudanto esa hi duiha pita and deep is his sweet voice. His tongue is as red as vermilion. His white teeth are 20 in each row. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Like the color of collyrium is his deep blue hair. Like a polished golden plate is his forehead. The tuft of hair between the eyebrows is white, like the morning star. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men. Gacchati nilapathe viyachando taragana parivethitarupo savakamadhyagato samanindo esahiduiha pita just as the moon, surrounded by a multitude of stars, travels shining in the sky, even so goes the Lord of Monks, surrounded by his many disciples. Look there, my son. He is your father, a lion of men.